Hello students, today we are going to do an interesting art activity based on shapes. Shape is one of the 7 elements of art. The 7 elements of arts are value, line, texture, shape, space, form and color. In this art we are going to use pencil colors, some crayons and some sketch pens. We will take another paper and we'll draw some basic shapes on it. Now we will color these shapes using colors of our choice. We can use crayons, pencil colors or pastels. Let's use red for triangle. You can use any other color of your choice. Let's first color near the edges inside the shape. So let's make like a border so that we can color easily in the inside portions. So here you can see the border is ready. Now we will fill in the color. We will apply equal pressure everywhere and we will color uniformly. We have to make sure we are not leaving any space in between the strokes. Now we can take another color for this rectangular shape. In the same way, again we will just color the borders near the edges and then we will fill the color in the inside portion. Now let's choose another color for this oval shape. Let's draw one more circle and let's color that in blue. Next, we can outline the shapes using a dark color marker or sketch pen. I'm using a black marker here. We can just border the shapes like this. We have to neatly do the outlines. All the shapes will do. Now as we can see, the shapes are colored and they are outlined, they are ready. So using a scissors, we'll cut them out. Let's be careful with our hands and let's cut them out. This triangle cutout is ready. Similarly, we'll cut out the rectangle. It will be better if children use child-safe scissors for cutting purpose. In the same way, we will cut out the oval and the circle too. Now our all shapes cutouts are ready. We will keep them aside and now we will start doing the drawing. So here first we will draw a branch. We are using wavy line here, a branch of a tree. We have to use pencil to do the drawing first, and then we will fill with colors and do the outlines using markers. We will draw some leaves all around the tree branch. Now, the branch drawing and the leaves drawing is ready. So we will use the shapes that we have colored and we have cut them, and we will make some birds sitting on the branch using the shapes. We have to arrange them on top of the branch like this. We can use any glue to stick them, and we don't have to use a lot of glue as paper sticks very easily on top of paper. So we just have to apply few dots and we have to stick them randomly on top of the branch. So we have sticked all the 4 shapes using glue. Now using a pen or a black marker, we have to draw legs of the birds. So very simple symbolic drawing we have to do here. For the legs, for the eyes and the beak. So our cute fluffy birds will be ready. We'll draw them in all 4 of them. We can draw the beaks like triangular in shape in all of them. Here I am using a red pencil color to color the beak, as pencil colors have sharp tip and it's easy to color in small portions of the drawing. We can use different bright and beautiful colors for different parts to make it a colorful art. Again, using the marker or sketch pens, we can do the drawings in the eye. Now let's color the branch using a brown crayon. We will color uniformly everywhere. Once this coloring is done, using a brown sketch pen or brown marker, we will do the outline of the branch. We can also use black for the same. Now let's color the leaves using dark green and light green. So first we will do the outline using a dark green sketch pen. Now let's fill light green in the leaves. I'm using sketch pen here. We can also use crayons or pencil colors for the same. Our cute and adorable birds and the branch with leaves is ready. So now, using a dark blue sketch pen or pencil color, we have to draw some clouds on the top. We will fill the inside parts of the clouds using crayon. We have to use a sky blue color, which is light blue. The clouds are colored. Now let's make it a very sunny and shiny day by drawing a sun in the top. We have to use yellow for the same. We have to draw a circle and some rays around. We will just draw the trunk of the tree and some upper portion of the tree with some leaves, and the drawing is ready. We can also try similar drawing with some other basic shapes, and we can draw birds and other creatures in the same way and play around with shapes. Also, you can draw some other things in the drawing like butterflies and breeze. We can add these suggestional lines to show some movements in and around the leaves. So our drawing is complete here. We'll meet again with more art activities based on different elements of art. Till then, we can have fun with shapes.